In this video, we will be sharing more about the different student bodies in EEE, namely EEE Club, Garage at EEE, EEE Lead, MLDA at EEE, and EEE Outreach. First, let's go to a subsidiary of the NTU Students' Union, EEE Club.
Hi everyone! We are from EEE Club and we are the voice of our students. We aim to create a vibrant student life for all EEE students to enjoy. To do this, we host a range of academic events ranging from industrial visits to alumni interaction.
We also cater to the well-being of our students through multiple events such as exam welfare initiatives, EEE Week, and inter-school games. We believe in creating an inclusive community where EEE students can have a memorable experience.
To welcome freshmen into our EEE family, we also have Efinity, a freshman orientation program which we are a part of. As aspiring engineers, we also strongly believe in giving back to the community, which is why we have Ignite, an avenue where our students can take part in community involvement projects both in Singapore and overseas. Wanna join the fun? Join us now! Wow, thank you EEE Club. But what if I want to create and innovate? Well, let's go to our student-driven makerspace, Garage at EEE.
Hello, we are from Garage at EEE.
We are a student-run makerspace and we try to let students have more of a hands-on experience outside of their classroom. So we have hackathons, camps, and also workshops. We also collaborate with companies to let students have an experience outside as well.
So there are two major events which Garage at EEE organizes. So one of them is Isendo, and it's a 3-day student hackathon event. So students get to have hands-on experience and use technologies such as arduino and ESP32.
Another event that we organize is Initio, which is one of the freshman orientation programs we have for incoming students. Unlike most other orientation programs, we use technology as a medium to engage students and let them have fun. The tech games are designed by our very own students from scratch. EEE is a world of opportunity waiting to be explored by you. So we hope to see you in NTU!
Wow, thank you Garage at EEE. Next up, let's go meet EEE Lead, a group of like-minded students who share a passion to inspire and create a change.
Hi guys, we're EEE Lead and we're a student development program by students for students in EEE. Here, we try to groom students to become future leaders by providing training workshops that cover the grounds of presentation, leadership and communication, etc.
Complementing our leadership trainings, we also organize team bonding events for lead members. On top of that, we also organize activities for all EEE students, such as our local community involvement projects, giving back to society.
This year, we will be heading down to vocational schools to teach them how to build their very own LD club. Feeling inspired? Take the lead and be the leaders of tomorrow with us. See you there!
Thank you EEE Lead. Love machine learning and data analytics? Look no further than our student-centric training laboratory, MLDA at EEE.
Hi guys, we're from the Machine Learning and Data Analytics Lab at the School of EEE. And we are a community of in-house trainers dedicated to train and raise awareness on machine learning technologies among EEE students.
Machine learning is a new and exciting field, with new research and development being done every single day. If you've ever wondered how autonomous vehicles work or how the voice assistant on your phone works, then you're looking at the right club.
MLDA already did a lot of workshops and career sharing events, and we are collaborating with many companies to run ad hoc projects. What are you guys waiting for? Join us!
Thank you MLDA at EEE. Lastly, we have EEE Outreach, a team that works together to inspire prospective students like yourself.
Hi! We are EEE Outreach! So what Outreach primarily does is to engage prospective students, to share experiences with them and engage them on the opportunities that EEE has to offer.
We organize events such as the Innovation Challenge, Open House and the Induction Fiesta to showcase what EEE has to offer.
By organizing these events, we are not only able to hone our leadership and communication skills, but we are also allowing prospective EEE students to experience what it's like to be part of the EEE family.
What are you waiting for?
Join us!
Thank you EEE Outreach. So now we know what all the different student bodies do and the opportunities they bring. So what are you waiting for? Come join us now at NTU School of EEE. With one degree, a world of opportunities.